All right, so we're here at these two houses under construction in Shelbyville, and we're gonna finish filling in the porches with gravel so they can pour concrete. And then we're gonna adjust this driveway and extend it over to a parking pad here. And we're gonna install a new driveway with a culvert going over to a parking pad alongside that house. And maybe we can get all this done before the hurricane gets here.
I forgot how much I hated this stuff.
Okay, got the trench all done for the drainage pipe.
Now we've got Joe getting the layout for the next driveway to go to the separate house. See, both of these driveways are going to be split. So it's going to go out through this way for that one, and you can kind of see how it's curved in. And then this one is going to run along this way and go to the side of the house as well. right now is spreading the 1.5-inch gravel, or stepping stone as a lot of people like to call it. And what that's doing is creating a good, strong base that won't wash out and that will last over time for this new driveway. Then we're going to come up behind it and finish it off with a layer of 3/4-inch gravel. And that's going to be a nice, smooth, ride when you're pulling into your new driveway.
Second pipe just got here. We're going to replace this old concrete, broken up storm drain with the new plastic one. Pretty good.
I think I figured out why it wasn't flowing.
It's full of shit.
Oh, so you and that pipe have a lot in common.
You're both full of shit.
The hell with you. Replace this guy, he sucks. First outer bands of Hurricane Ida. Mr. Cody back on the Mini. Had to go a little bit deeper because apparently you have to pour concrete on top of this. City codes or something like that. Okay, coming down to the end of it, we're going to spread this 3/4 inch.
Teamwork makes the dream work, though.
That's right.
And for all of our YouTube viewers out there watching.
Good job, Mr. Cody. We got a hurricane inbound.
Big crew ain't got nothing on us. By us, I mean me and you, Matt. Hold on, I'm messing with the register.
Hold on, I'm messing with the register. Okay, we gotta load it up. Today was a good job. We were only out here maybe 4 hours, and we installed 2 drain pipes Spread about 30 tons of 1.5 inch. We still have probably 40 tons of 3/4 to finish up. It's just really a top dressing. So all in all, pretty happy. And yeah, the outer bands of the hurricane just reached our area. So probably be about it for today. I don't know, Joe's still spreading 3/4, we'll see. All right, guys.
Yeah, yeah.